So today I'll be talking about the best way to trade Bitcoin in Nigeria with about 100,000 naira capital. Okay, I'm going to write it on my screen. 100k. Now, when you talk about trading Bitcoin in Nigeria, people's mind would jump to the spot market. Everybody normally thinks that when you want to trade Bitcoin, it's better you come to the spot market and you buy. When the price goes up, you sell. This is the mentality of a lot of people, okay, when it comes to trading Bitcoin. Now, yes, it is quite okay to use that method, but I prefer another method that has been, favorable for me. Okay, this is one of the oldest methods. Trading Bitcoin on spot, trying to buy low and waiting for it to go high is one of the oldest method. And to be honest, a lot of people find it boring because you can buy and it's going to take a lot of time for it to go up and you're not even sure. And if you don't have experience, you can get into a loss. So I'm going to be sharing one of the best methods I think, okay, traders can consider if they want to sell or trade their Bitcoin, okay, in Nigeria. Now, before I get started, this video do not promote any guaranteed income or financial advice. In fact, if you ask me, is trading Bitcoin profitable? The answer is going to be, have you learned about the method? Because if you don't know anything about it, then it is not going to be profitable. All right. But if you have ideas about it and you are familiar with the methods, then it can be okay for you. Now let's get started. Now I'm going to just go straight to the Nigerian market on the P2P area. Okay. Now there are two things you have to consider. Okay. Now if you are trading on the spot market, you don't need to pay any fees. Okay, spot market is simply buying. Where you buy, the price goes high, you sell. But this place I am right now is the P2P market, where you have to register as a P2P merchant to do your whole deposit stuff and all of that, blah blah blah. It's going to cost you money to register your business on the P2P. Okay, but guess what? That money it costs you to register your business is like the price you are paying to avoid all of those stress on the spot market. Okay, because spot market, truly, let me just go back to the spot market. Please forgive me. This video will be very self-explanatory. Okay, this is the spot market where people come to do Bitcoin. Look at the charts. Is it going up or is it coming down? Blah blah blah. For this area, if you want to trade your Bitcoin here, you just need to buy, wait. When it's favorable time to sell, you can sell. All right, but this method do not require you to register, create a business, have a business. You just have to buy, wait for it to be the best time for you to sell, and then you can sell. All right. But then on the P2P market is a different ball game entirely. P2P, you need to register your business. You need to not register your business with the government. You need to register your business with Bybit. Bybit to ask you to pay some certain deposit. Now that deposit, you can get your money back whenever you don't want to be a merchant, whenever you don't want to trade again. Now I feel like that money you're paying to have your business registered or advertised on Bybit is like you're paying to avoid all the stress and disadvantages of the spot market. Because on the P2P market, let me show you how Bitcoin is traded. Now, I will use 100,000 naira as capital. So I hope you are following and you are enjoying the whole stuff. Now you can see all these people here. This is spot. This is P2P. Okay, look at what they are doing. This is the Bitcoin. This is the buy area where people come to buy Bitcoin, right? If you want to buy Bitcoin, you can come here to just click on buy directly. You just buy their Bitcoin. Okay, all the people you see here selling Bitcoin. They are all you see here, they are selling Bitcoin. Look at this guy called Graphics. He's selling Bitcoin. Okay. So this guy obviously maybe he might be tired of spot trading. He's selling he's here to do the other method. Okay, so if you are buying Bitcoin from here as a buyer, it means this guy is selling to you. Okay, it means this guy is selling to you. Whenever you buy, whenever you buy something, it means someone else is selling that thing to you. Now the question is how and where is this guy buying from? Okay. Now, these people would normally, instead of going to do the spot method, buying and selling on spot, they will just go and buy their Bitcoin on spot. Okay. Now, what happens is I'm going to use 100,000 naira as capital. So, let us do the calculation together. Now, let's say a man named Felix wants to start trading Bitcoin. Now, he already knows that the spot market, he doesn't want the boring version of the spot market when it comes to trading Bitcoin. He just wants to use the P2P method. Now, the P2P method is also boring depending on if you have the knowledge or not. So, the P2P market is not a guaranteed way of trading Bitcoin. Okay. Now, let's say you want to use 100,000 naira. Definitely, I'm going to. This guy named Felix is going to come to the P2P market first of all with his 100,000 naira to, buy USDT. So buy USDT, right? Now I'm going to just put in punch in 100,000 naira so you can get the real value of USDT currently. So the real value of USDT right now, USDT is like the dollars you're going to use to buy your Bitcoin. So the real value of USDT right now is about 1391. Okay, just say 1392. So let's go to the calculator. Let's go to the calculator. 100,000 naira divided by 1392. So the value is 71.8 US dollars. Okay, that is what 100,000 naira is worth in USDT. So I'm going to come back to Bybit to see how much 71.8 dollars is going to buy Bitcoin. How much Bitcoin can I get with 71.8 dollars, which is 100,000 naira? So basically, what this merchant do, instead of them going on the spot market to just buy and hope the price comes up, it's a good method. I mean, it's a good method. But what they do is that they just buy from here. Let me use the 71.8 because you have swapped your once you have swapped your money naira to dollars, it could be around 71.8. So this is the equivalent of the amount of Bitcoin you can get with 71.8 USDT, which is your 100,000 naira. You can write it down. I'm going to just do the what is the amount of Bitcoin, which is 0.001137. Now, normally a normal trader will buy this Bitcoin now and wait. Look at the price of Bitcoin. Look at the price of Bitcoin, 63,143. A normal trader will buy this Bitcoin now and wait. Maybe wait for like 2 weeks, 1 week, 4 days, 5 days, 1 month. Sometimes it can take months before before the price of Bitcoin increases to maybe 64, 65, 66, or maybe 70K to get substantial gain. Okay, to get good gains. But then these other merchants have decided that they don't want to wait for spot market rise or fall because it could be risky. If you don't understand technical analysis, you might lose quite good amount of your money. Okay, now they will just buy on the spot market and come to the P2P market to sell that Bitcoin. Now, how do people sell on the P2P market? It is not as easy as you just come to sell. No, you're going to advertise your business on the P2P market. You're going to advertise your Bitcoin. So people should not don't think that it is just easy that you just come and click on sell and you sell. No. Now, once these traders have purchased this Bitcoin, instead of them to wait for it to rise on the spot market for them to sell, they will not do it that way. They're going to come and inform Bybit. Oh, Bybit, oh, I have Bitcoin that I've purchased. Please, if you have anybody who is looking for Bitcoin, tell the person to come and buy from me. The way to do that is to be a merchant, and I will discuss that later. So Bybit to say, okay, register for being a merchant. Once the person have registered, now the Bybit to post the person's advert where people will normally come to buy Bitcoin, which is this area. This is where people comes to buy Bitcoin. Now, let's say you, on the other hand, now you're looking for Bitcoin and you want to buy from Mr. Felix, and definitely this is like Mr. Felix trade. Let me use this for example. This is like Mr. Felix trade, for example. Okay, and then you just click on buy. The moment you are buying this Mr. Felix Bitcoin, it means that you are buying the Bitcoin that Mr. Felix has purchased on the spot market. Okay, and let me use this guy for example. Most of these people you see here, they are buying on the spot market and they'll come advertise to sell on the P2P. Okay, they'll come and advertise to sell on the P2P. So it's not like a direct sale. You are going to wait. Some of them you will wait for like maybe 40, 50 minutes before you find somebody who wants to buy that Bitcoin that you have purchased, because there are a lot of traders here. So let me click on this guys. So you can see this guy has a Bitcoin price of um 94 million. This is his rate. So this is how he sells his Bitcoin. So if I come to click on with crypto, let me type in the amount of crypto here. 0 point, let me see if it's going to work. 0.001137. Okay, yeah. So you can see if this guy sells this amount of crypto, he would have recovered about 6,000 naira of his money. You can see he would have recovered about 6,000 naira of his money. Now, one reason why this method, I prefer this method of buying and selling this way is because I can do this multiple times in a day while another trader is busy waiting for the price of Bitcoin to go up before they sell on the spot before they sell on spot. And to be honest, if the price of Bitcoin goes up on spot, you're not still going to make up to that 6,000. Okay, you still have to wait for it to go up very well before you can see such amount. So that is why, and before it even reaches that point, a P2P trader must have done like 3 or 4 times of that trade, of this trade. So maybe 6,000 naira, maybe like 3 or 4 or 5 times. Many of them do it multiple times in a day. That's why you can see that some of them have 6,000 orders. Now, somebody's going to ask, what is the requirement to be a merchant, to be able to advertise your Bitcoin, okay, for sale? That requirement is going to be found on the ads area. So if you come to this place where you find ads, you can come on this ads. People know how to create ad. This is like a new account. Okay, so if for you to create ad, you click on post now, you go and see the requirement. And if you click on post now, you can see you cannot post any ad. Unable to post now, you click on apply, then Bible to show you the application requirements. First of all, to be able to advertise, you need 200 USD. Now, this is like a fee, okay, you are paying to be able to advertise. Now, I see this fee as a sacrifice. Okay, this because of this fee, I will not be, I will not be able to, I'm getting the advantage of not waiting for the spot price to go up before I sell. Okay, and another good thing about this money is once you don't want to be a merchant again, don't advertise again, they'll give you back your 200 USD. You're not paying it forever. Okay, so once I have that amount, once I have this amount now, I can advertise my Bitcoin. I'm going to click on apply now, and I'll be able to, get into the whole advertisement system and all of that. So I believe that this is one of the best ways to trade Bitcoin, if you ask me. Now, this is not a guaranteed income. People still make a lot of success when they trade on spot. Okay, people still make a lot of success when they trade on spot, but I believe that I would prefer to do my own on the P2P, because I feel like it's much more better for me, and it's going to save me from market conditions. It's going to save me from market conditions, because whether the price of Bitcoin is falling or is rising, the spot market, the P2P market would always try to cover up. Okay, they always try to cover up for their traders or for their merchants. Okay, so guys, I'm going to leave you here, and certainly if you have more questions down, you can ask down in the comment area. Which of the trading methods do you like? Which of Bitcoin trading methods do you like? Do you prefer to buy on the spot market, just buy on the Bitcoin market and wait for it to go up before you sell, or you prefer trading on the P2P market? Which of them do you like? and which of them do you prefer? I'll be waiting for your answers in the comment area, and definitely I'll see you on another video.